You can see why it draws in the crowds, can't you? This is Munich's famous Glockenspiel clock display, actually echoing around Munich's equally famous Marienplatz. And that kind of mix of tradition and innovation make this a very apt location for a transform talk. Just like the 117-year-old example of craftsmanship behind me, today's technological landscape also demands precision, coordination, and of course vision. The digital cloud provider Naveum knows all about the complexities of modern tech, and come to think of it, being a Swiss company, it probably knows a fair bit about clocks too. Naveum works with partners to drive the digital transformation of businesses, and it's been sharing its expertise at a data infrastructure forum run by Huawei here in Munich. So, just to extend the Glockenspiel musical theme, I asked Naveum's CTO, Yves Lauber, how the company orchestrates those digital transformations.
Basically, it's key for every business to have an infrastructure virtualized, because that allows for rapid scale up and also scale down, but that rarely ever happens, fortunately. We are using a unified management portal from Huawei, so it covers all the bits and pieces which we implement with Huawei. So from the backup storages to the production storage to the overall networking equipment. So everything in one single pane of glass, which allows us to act upon any demands.
We're here just a few meters away from Huawei's Data Infrastructure Forum. You'll be speaking later against this theme really of data awakening, AI rising. How important is it and how easy is it to implement future-ready data storage infrastructures?
Yeah, I'll be talking later today about our transformation, which occurred the last 1.5 years. I try to make it look easy, but yeah, it's hard work in the background. Fortunately, we're building on a strong partnership with Huawei, so we have a lot of proven technology, and with that we can build upon the ever-changing demands of the customers to try to tailor-fit a service that meets their demands.
And that must be one of the challenges, always keeping it future-proofed, future-ready.
Yes, exactly. So future-proofed about being ready when the demands change or the requirements from customers change, because that will happen not only through time, also throughout the project.
And you've referred to working in partnership with Huawei, which you've been doing for a number of years now. What's the sort of technical support that they're giving Naveum? What's the help technologically that they're providing?
We're a partner with Huawei for a bit over 10 years now. The partnership is really great in terms of the responsiveness. So it's really customer-centric or partner-centric. It feels like working in a big team to make the customers happy at the end. The DCS solution provides for us and the customer a seamless fit for managing virtualized infrastructure. It comes along with a full container management, so also in terms of future-proven, it not only hosts just virtualized machines, but also containerized environments.
Well, you've talked about the decade-long partnership you've had with Huawei. We've discussed future-proofing, future-ready data infrastructure and data storage systems. So casting ahead for the years ahead, what is it you're looking for from the partnership in years to come?
Yeah, the last 10 years were ever-changing, innovating, and we are talking about ourselves as an innovative company, innovative cloud provider. And we don't know what the future will bring, but we know that a strong relationship not only to Huawei in the back end, but also towards our customers in the front end and our partners on the Swiss market is key to successful next decade.
Yeah, that flow from, as you say, all the way through from provider to customer. You mentioned Swiss there. On your website, I've seen that one of the pillars underpinning Naveum's success is what you describe as Swissness. Just for those who don't know, just explain finally, what is Swissness and how does it help the company?
Yeah, Swissness to us is that we work together with the customer and our partners. So to us, it's proud to be a cloud provider. We can say Swissness in a way of all your data is running in Swiss data centers. So with all the benefits of it. And for the customers, of course, it gives some benefit as well, because having their services in Swiss data centers, especially for the Swiss customers, is important and gives them some guarantees as well. Not only flexibility when it comes to scaling up the services, but also the robustness in having the service without any downtime. Of course, the punctuality, the proven, so everything comes into play with that. For the customer, it feels like clockwork, and yeah, behind the scenes, it's still
A lot of cogs turning.
yes.